If, like me, you have an iPhone, an Apple Watch, and loads of other products that all need to be charged at the same time, it can become a bit of a nightmare. Shout out to Oittm for sending out the product in today's video. Let's get started. Okay guys, so this is the 5 USB port charger stand for your iPhone and Apple Watch. It will also charge an iPad mini and an Apple TV remote, so if you have a lot of Apple products, this is quite handy. So in the box we have an instruction manual which explains how to set this stand up, but there really isn't that much to it. I'm in the UK, and so as you can see it did come supplied with a standard UK plug. It will however come with a suitable plug for whichever country you're in. The first thing you'll need to do is to remove the plastic lid, and once you get the lid off you'll find this iPhone backplate which needs to be attached. There's also a bag of other bits and pieces such as the Apple Watch stand and cable tidy strap. On the back of the stand you can see there are 3 extra USB ports, and each port has the ability to adjust the power output so that it won't damage your device. The 2 USB ports inside the stand is where you'll connect the cable for your iPhone and also your Apple Watch. Now you will want to start by placing the cables in the lid, and once that's done you can connect them both to the inside of the stand. Sadly, this charger doesn't offer wireless charging, but as it uses a lightning connector it is compatible with all previous iPhones that have a lightning port. It's a nice stand and it will work well on a desk or even your bedside table. It costs around about £33 in the UK or $39 if you're in the US, so it's not the cheapest charging stand around, but for the money, it's a good all-round solution. I hope you enjoyed the video guys. Please be sure to subscribe so that you don't miss my next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.